are from Basavareddy BA and BCom College, Dharwad. My name is Anita. I am handling cost accounting subject for BCom 5th sem student. Last class we have discussed what is piece rate and the problems based on piece rate system. In this class also I am solving the problems based on piece rate system. Problem number 1. During a certain week in the month of July 2015, a worker manufactured 240 articles. Working hours during a week are 48 hours. Standard rate is rupees 5 per hour. Standard time to manufacture an article is 15 minutes. Calculate his gross wages. Okay, first they have given articles, number of articles, number of articles, 240 articles. Next, working hours, working hours 48 hours. Then standard rate, standard rate rupees 5 per hour. Okay, standard time to manufacture, standard time to standard time is 15 minutes. So here ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಅವರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಾವ. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಏನದ ಹೇಳ್ರಿ, ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಅವರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ number of units per hours. Number of units per hour is equal to number of total number of minutes, number of minutes divided by standard time. Total number of minutes 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes divided by ನಮಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲೇ 15 minutes. 15 ones are 15 6 are 15 4s are 4 units, 4 units. Okay, rate per or standard rate is 5. Then we have to calculate working note number 2, calculation of piece rate, calculation of piece rate. Piece rate is equal to rate per hour divided by number of units per hour. Okay, rate per hour, rate per hour is nothing but standard rate is 5. Number of units per hour we have already calculated in a working note number 1, 4. The answer is 1.25. Okay, next working note number 3, calculation of piece wages, calculation of piece wage, piece wages is equal to units into piece per units. Units, number of units produced or number of articles, 240. 240 into piece rate unit, we have already calculated in working note number 2, that is 1.25. 240 into 1.25 rupees 300 is piece wages. Okay, I hope you understood. Then we have to find out weekly wages. In case they have given, calculate the weekly hours, then 48 into 5. 48 into 5 is to 240 is our monthly weekly working hours. First we have to calculate given ಏನೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೆ first we have to find out. So number of articles is 240, weekly working hours is 48, standard rate or nothing but time rate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕರೀತಾರೆ, that is 5. Okay, rate per hour, standard time is 15 minutes. Here ಇವೆರಡು hours ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, this one is in minutes, so that we have to convert this minutes into hours. Total minutes in hour divided by 60, the standard time, 60 divided by 15, 15 ones are 15 fours are 4 units. Then we have to calculate the piece rate. Piece rate is equal to rate per hour divided by number of units per hour. Rate per hour is 5, number of units per hour is 4. 5 divided by 4 is 1.25. Then we have to calculate the piece wages. Units into piece per unit. Units is number of articles 240. Then piece per unit 1.25. 240 into 1.25 is 300. I hope you understood the problem. Next one is number 2, based on piece rate system. There are 2 piece workers, Ramu and Bhimu, who are paid rupees 10 each piece work executed, which cost rupees 30 per piece in materials. In a working day of 5 hours, Ramu complete 8 pieces and Bhimu 6 pieces. If the overhead charges be rupees 3 per hour, show which 2 piece worker is more useful to the factory. Okay, this much information is given in the problem. Okay, first we have to calculate the material cost. First one, calculation of material cost. Calculation of material cost. Material cost. Okay, material cost is equal to unit produced into material cost per unit. Cost per unit. Okay, first Ramu. Unit produce. How much unit produce? 8. Okay, 8 into material cost. How the material cost ಎಷ್ಟದ? 8 pieces and 6 pieces, 3 per hour. Okay, one material cost na ನಾವು calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Material cost is 30 into 30 to 40. Okay, then Bhimu. unit into on the 6 units into 30. 6 3s are 180. Okay, 30 into 6 180. I hope you understood the material cost. Then working note number 2, calculation of wages. Calculation of wages under piece rate. Wages is equal to units produced into rate per unit. Unit produced into rate per unit. The first one is Ramu. Unit produced, already we have got 8 into rate per unit. Rate per unit is 10 rupees. 10 8s are 80. Bimu 6 units into rupees 10. 10 6 are 60. I hope you understood the wage. Then working note number 3, calculation of cost of production. Statement showing cost of production. Cost of production, particulars Ramu, Bimu. Okay, materials already calculated 240 and 180 in the working note number 1. 240 and 180. Then wages, working note number 2. 80 60. 320 240. It is called prime cost. Okay, then add factory overhead. Factory overhead 8 hours into 3. 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24. 344 and 364 is cost of production. Cost of production. Okay, I hope you understood. First, there are 2 pieces of workers, Ramu and Bimu. Our rate is 10 each other. So the cost is 30 per piece. In a working day, 5 hours, Ramu complete 8 piece and Bimu 6 piece. If the overhead charges be rupees 3. First, we have to calculate the calculation of material cost. Material cost is equal to unit produced into material cost per unit. Ramu 8 into 30 240. Bimu 6 into 30 180. Then we have to find out calculation of wages. Wages is equal to unit produced into rate per unit. Ramu 8 into 10 80. Bimu 6 into 10 60. Then statement showing cost of production. Material, working on number 1 240 and 180. 240 180. Then wages 80 and 60. 240 plus 80 320. 180 60 240. It is called prime cost. Then add factory overhead 8 hours into 3. 8 is 24. 8 is 1. Both Ramu and Bimu working hours is same. 320 plus 24 344. 240 plus 24 364. Then we have to calculate the cost per unit. Cost, working note number 3, calculation of cost per unit. Cost per unit is equal to cost of production. Cost of production divided by number of units. Cost of production divided by number of units. In case of Ramu, cost of production Ramu 344 divided by working hours is 8 rupees 43. Then in case of Bimu, cost of production Bimu 264 divided by 6, 44. Cost per unit. Cost of production, that is working note number 2 divided by number of unit. This is working note number 4, I think. This is working note number 3 divided by number of units. 344 divided by 8 rupees 43. 364 divided by 6 is 44. I hope you understood the cost per unit. The next one is number 3. Production of 3 workers are as follows. Shankar 1200 units, Shivu 2000 units and Somesh 800 units. Calculate their earnings as per state piece rate system at 20 per unit, the differential piece rate system under which 800 units at rupees 20 per units. The rate of increasing by rupees 4 unit per for each subsequent 400 units produce. Okay, first and the last one is 800, then the remaining, the middle one is 800 for each subsequent years. Okay, let us solve the problem. The first one is calculation of earnings under straight piece rate. Working note number 1. Calculation of earnings under straight piece rate. Straight piece rate. Earnings is equal to output into piece rate per unit. Piece rate per unit. 3 workers, Shankar, Somesh, Shivu. Okay, Shankar earnings output 1200, Somesh 800, Shivu 2000 into piece rate 20. Piece rate is 20. 20, 20, 20 is equal to 24,000. 8,000, 8 2s are 16. 16,000, then 2 2s are 4. 4,000. Okay, 24,000, 16,000 and 4,000. Next one is calculation of differential piece rate. Calculation of differential piece rate. Particulars: Shankar, Shivu, Somesh. Shankar, Shivu, Somesh. Okay, wages. for 800 units. 8,000 into 20. So 8 2s are 16,000, 16,000 and 16,000. Okay. Then wages for subsequent 400 into 24, 9,600, 9,600 dash. Only subsequent period these two. Then 400 into 28, 11,200. Then 400 into 32, 12,800. Okay. Total earnings 0, 0, 6, 15, 1 carry 20, 25,600. Then 0, 0, 8, 10, 16, 1 carry 9, 10, 16, 17, 18, 19, 1, 2, 3, 39,600. This is 16,000 is a earnings of 3 workers under differential piece rate system. I hope you understood the problem. First, they have given the earnings athwa the production 1,200, 2,000, 8,000. So 1,200, 800 ಮತ್ತೆ 2,000 into state piece rate 20, 20, 20. 1,200 into 20, 24,000. 800 into 20, 16,000. 2,000 into 20, 4,000. Then the differential piece rate. Wages of 800 into 20, 16,000, 16,000, 16,000. Subsequent period alli 400 into 24, 9,600, 9,600 only for first two. Then 400 into 28, 11,200. Then 400 into 32, 12,800. 4444 increase ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. Which the 800 at rupees 20 per rate of increasing by 4 units. Okay. 24 ಗೆ 20, 20 ಗೆ 4 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 24, 24 ಗೆ 4 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 28, 28 ಗೆ 4 ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 32. Okay. This is 25,600. This is 39,600 and the last one is 16,000. I hope you understood the problems based on piece rate system. Next, in the next class, I am going to discuss with you the incentive plan, that is Halsey Rowan plan. Based on that problems, I am going to discuss with you in the next session. Thank you.